The number of solar energy installations grows exponentially around the globe. At this development scale, reducing materials usage and costs, along with increasing the efficiency of energy production, is an urgent need. That's why we propose ScanTheSun software as a solution. It's a 1-minute app to design solar rooftop or ground installations with the highest efficiency, the highest energy yield, using the minimum number of solar modules. How it works? Just mark your building on a satellite image. Few taps on a screen are enough to measure your entire building geometry within an augmented reality module. Get 4-dimensional space-time yield map on your building for entire year or any selected month. Automatically get standard installation project with flat panels placement on the roof. Automatically get effective installation project with panels tilted to roof surfaces to get the highest efficiency for entire year. Get effective installation project optimized for any season you choose to achieve the highest efficiency for selected season. Here it is winter time. Or here the optimization for summertime. Immediately get detailed yield forecast with all numerical data. You can measure your building from any vantage point at any distance. There is no need to climb on a roof or to make any physical measurements. We are available in Google Play worldwide. There are on the average 40 usages of the app daily. Efficiency increase is around 20% per installation, while average installation power output is 6 kW. Taking that 5% of app usages is successful means over 6 MW additional solar power produced by ScanTheSun software without any other costs. This means $3.5 million in savings for families each year. Almost 200 tons of carbon dioxide emission reduction each year. 4,500 trees planted and around 20% less future solar waste.